This could be the car for you. The 2023 Landrover Range Rover Evoque. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This crisply styled Range Rover Evoque delivers solid versatility, lively performance, and tasteful design. Be prepared to relax and enjoy every journey in modern luxury, underpinned by engineering excellence in this inspired subcompact SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Don't miss the chance to drive this premium Range Rover Evoque. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.